Ever wonder if castor oil deserves a spot in your skincare routine? Today, I'll show you how to use it to triple its effectiveness, transform your lips, and even boost your lashes safely. Plus, I'll clear up myths about fat loss around your eyes and dry eye concerns. What is castor oil? It's a vegetable oil from ricinus communis beans, mainly grown in India, Africa, and South America. Historically, castor oil was used as a laxative because ricinoleic acid stimulates smooth muscle contractions in your intestines. Why is it called nature's Botox? Mainly for three reasons. First, it helps prevent wrinkles. It's loaded with antioxidants that fight free radicals and slow aging. Second, it combats acne. Despite being thick, it's antibacterial and won't clog pores. Third, it deeply moisturizes, keeping skin smooth, plump, and radiant. That's where the Botox-like effect comes from. Castor oil is incredible for dry lips. Apply it plain or mix with coconut oil for taste. It works especially well in dry, cold, or heated environments. Skiing, mouth breathing, or radiators can dry out lips quickly. How to apply to skin. Use pure, organic, cold-pressed, chemical-free oil. Mix with carrier oils like coconut, almond, or olive if you prefer. Apply to clean skin at night, leave overnight, or wipe off after a few minutes. Lashes and brows. Castor oil is great for lash and brow growth. Ricinoleic acid may help inhibit PGD2, linked to hair loss. Tips for safety. Do a patch test first. Use only pure castor oil, no fragrances. Apply with a thin wand or small brush, not a cotton swab. Avoid getting it in the eye. Rinse immediately if it does. Comment below and tell me. Have you tried castor oil for your skin, lips, or lashes? I want to hear your results. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video.